So we're out here cleaning this home. We're dealing with Dryvit. So basically, with Dryvit, we basically apply a treatment and very low pressure to clean this home. You don't want to use any high pressure on it, and we can get all this black mold and stuff that's algae that is coming down off them windowsills. Walk around back here. Got a beautiful view. Hope everybody's doing well this morning. So if you need your home clean because you're getting tired of the green and you have a Dryvit home siding, no matter what it is, we can clean it. We use very low pressure, the right soaps to get the job done. No pressure equals no damage. We're also going to be cleaning all these pavers, this paver driveway, going all the way out. Yes, we can clean pavers. You do not have to worry about losing a lot of sand in between the pavers. Check us out online, ShoreCleanSolutionsLLC.com. Give us a call, 443-754-1810. Be happy to come out, give you a free quote. Thanks, have a great day.